Hazrat Hussain bin Ali radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, I got a she-camel as a share from the booty of Badr along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted me another she-camel. One day I met them kneel down by the door of an Ansari. I intended to bring izghir on them for sale, and I was accompanied by a goldsmith for Banu Qaynuqa, so as to get help from him in arranging Hazrat Fatima's wedding feast, whereas Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu was imbibing wine and a female singer was along with him. She said, Hamza, bring plump she-camels. Hazrat Hamza pounced upon them with sword and cut their humps and haunches, then took out their hurts. I said to Ibn Shihab, what did he do with humps? He said, they were cut. Ibn Shihab narrates that Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu said, I saw this excessively horrible sight. I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while Hazrat Zayd bin Harisa radiyallahu anhu was along with him. I told him about the instance. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out accompanied by Hazrat Zayd. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to Hazrat Hamza and got extremely offended. So Hazrat Hamza radiyallahu anhu raised his glance and said, perhaps you are the slave of my forefathers. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back, and it happened before wine was declared forbidden. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2375.